Hello, my name is Cruz Eastman, and I will be teaching you how to crimp a Ethernet cord for uses of the internet. Now, an Ethernet cord. I'm a student at USF, and my major is information technology. So let me start out first. An Ethernet cord is composed of 6 different wires. 8, sorry about that. 8 different wires, different color coding. Now our cable will be using these colors right here, and this combination of colors needs to be on both sides of the cable. Very identical. So since I just don't want to do twice, I had to fix another one that the thing that snatches onto the hardware was broken off. So what I did was I cut this one. And tools you will need: a crimper, a wire, and a wire stripper, and maybe this diagram to help you out which colors to use. So what I did was cut off this broken piece. Now I'm going to strip the wire using the wire strippers. You're going to want to do it about an inch. Let me put the camera right here, see if you can still see it. Yes. Okay. Okay. We now have our wires. As you can see, the colors on this is what it's supposed to be. Like I said, on one side, if looking at this, it needs to be identical on both sides. So looking at this, you see that it's striped with striped orange, and then it's solid orange, then it's striped green, then it's solid blue, then it's striped blue, then it's green, solid green, then it's striped brown, and then it's solid brown. So that is what we want to do with this cord right here. We want to spread them out so it's in that color-coded combination. So you got your bright orange, your striped orange, your solid orange, striped green. Some people get confused by that. Then you have your solid blue. I'm going to cut off a little bit more of this cord just to make it easier. There we go. That's about an inch. So, striped orange, solid orange, striped green, solid blue. This is a very tedious task. I'm going to figure out how to fast forward this film. After you have put the wires in, you take this crimping tool, stick it in, and clamp it down. Now you have an Ethernet cable with the same matching lines of striped orange, solid orange, striped green, solid blue, striped blue, solid green, striped brown, solid brown. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day.